Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a deviled egg salad. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. This is going to be similar to the video I just made about chicken salad. So this is 12 hard-boiled eggs. I mean, you can always just do 6 if you just want to have this recipe. 2/3 cup of mayonnaise. A 1/2 cup of dill pickles, and I just chopped those up because it calls for the pickle relish, but there's a lot of added sugar in that. Then you can have, or use 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 teaspoons of white distilled vinegar, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and peel your boiled eggs and slice them in half. And we're just going to put the yellows back into a large bowl and the whites just back into their regular bowl. We are also going to chop up the whites. Alright, so this is what it should look like. I have all my yolks in this bowl and then all of my chopped up whites in another bowl. So to the yolks, we are going to add the mayonnaise, the pickles, the mustard, the vinegar, the paprika, the salt, and the pepper. And we're just going to mash that all together until it's nice and smooth and creamy. And if you guys do have a tip on how to hard boil eggs, the best way to get them to peel, because I stink at it. So if you have any tips that you know work, please let me know. I'd appreciate it. Alright, that looks great. My egg yolks are all nice and combined in there. So next I'm going to add in my chunks of egg white to that and just stir it all together. Alright, that is all nice and combined, and let me just tell you, it tastes really good. So next I am going to go ahead and cover this and put it in the refrigerator for about an hour before I serve it. You could eat this on lettuce, or you could just eat it with a fork. You could eat it on keto-friendly bread if you're keto, or if not, you know, eat it however you want. So we will put this in the refrigerator and see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Damn, Nut Free Mama, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.